Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's guide, I'll show you how to install Acurast Lite and start mining crypto on your mobile. Let's get started. Step 1 is to download and install Acurast Lite. Open the App Store and search for Acurast Processor and tap Download. Open the application and then allow the required permission. Step 2 is to connect the console. Tap Connect the console in the app and approve the access when prompted. And then on your Acurast console, tap Add Device and approve the request in your Web3 wallet. Just simply scan a QR code that appears. Step 3. Activate mining. Wait for the system to confirm, like Funding Account Manager check, Pairing Device check, Testing Device check, and Advertise Compute Resources check, and then Compute Status, which is on Active check. Step 4 is to prevent auto lock. Open Settings and Display and Brightness. Set the auto lock to Never. Step 5. Start mining. Return to the Acurast processor and keep it running. Mining is now active. And that's it. You've successfully installed Acurast Lite and started mining crypto onto your mobile phone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you into the next one.